Steve, it's too cold for this.
Yeah, it is, but you look at how I prepared, bro.
I know.
Sweatshirt, gloves.
Good day, everybody. This is my Resvani. So if everything goes as usual, this will probably break halfway through me talking because this thing just breaks all the time.
Alright, this is just nuts. It's freaking cold outside. So this is a Murcielago that Eric went in last year. How'd you like riding in it, Eric?
Oh my God, nothing better than the freaking V12 screaming. But I'm just so excited. Freaking car seat is back. Like, it's cold, it's windy, I don't care, the sun's shining. We're gonna get on track. Little car. Oh. Wow, rookie.
Baby car.
Just get it.
Oh yeah, now the only thing is I'm going to be elbowing the shit out of you.
Yes.
I like it rough.
So.
This is like a little childhood dream of mine. I just don't fit in it. Like. Yeah, how do you get out? Roll, roll, roll. Yes. It's only like 40 degrees. Who cares?
I can see better.
Here we go.
Hold tired.
Want to win? Sounds good, man. It's real estate done right.
Day started off good enough. Now we've been in the airport for 4.5 hours. What up, guys? We finally made it to Dallas, Texas, and the first place we had to stop is, you know, Buc-ee's. Give me back my hat, Bucky.
After a horrible trip in, by the way, don't ever fly Spirit. We were trying to save some money. Didn't work, gave us a headache. No. So, where's the first place you got to go?
As a car guy, growing up with him, Richard Rawlings, Gas Monkey Garage. Here we are. Never leaving.
Alright guys, we're at Fuel Fest. So what's up, Eric?
Going to get our VIP badging. Check out the lounge. Alright guys, if you can hear me, we're out here at Fuel Fest Dallas. I got a rare one for you right here. We got an R34 Nissan Skyline, shade green. I'll tell you what, this might be an unpopular opinion, but it's my opinion. I appreciate this kind of drifting more than Formula D.
Yeah. I don't have all those rules and regulations like they didn't have that before.
This is more your backyard purist drifting. I loved it before they went. Everything had to have 1,000 horsepower.
Yeah, no.
This is what I like, and this is what Formula D used to be like back when we first went in 2006 in Chicago. Oh my God, I love a drift setup on a 350Z.
Finally made it in. They actually let us in a little bit early. Look at that, full carbon fiber. That is so nasty.
Oh, full MSO. Full MSO. So Sean, did you know that one of the baddest, most coolest super hypercars there ever is 3-seater? I'll tell you what, you know I'm excited because there's not one, not two, not three. Wait, is there three?
There's
three R40s?
Three R40s,
Three!
one R50.
Did I say R40? I meant F40.
Yeah, it's an R40 GTR.
You know what I'm talking about. I get too excited because this is one of my favorite cars. Thanks, me.
Oh, thanks, man.
Yeah, we're back with All Things Fast. This is the Strad Man. We're at the event too. You already know. Hit that subscribe button.
All right, Sexy Beast, start the Sexy Beast.
All right.
Brandon, how does it feel to sit in a $3 million Ferrari?
Feels good.
Feels good?
Told you guys all go ahead.
What happened, Tommy?
The Senna's down.
Oh, it overheated?
We went too hard. Clutch overheated, yeah.
Oh, and then it didn't kill it?
Oh, sorry, buddy.
Yeah.
Threw itself in
Well,
neutral.
put itself in
immediately.
neutral.
So you broke 2 of my cars today, bro.
Good job.
Oh, yeah.
For a record.
You know, by the way, my
Yeah.
918 went in lit mode. It shut down. The R8's smoking. The
We're
Corvette's
bad luck.
smoking. All right, what's the next car you want to break?
Which was your least favorite?
What one's your most expensive?
All right, Nate, make sure you smoke them this time. All right?
All right, I got you.
All right. Good job with the win, man. He's blaming it on tires.
My tires are
Yeah.
ball.
Hey guys, we're over here with Unspeakable Nathan.
What's up?
Nathan beat the bricks off of Steve Hamilton over his own track day. It was pretty awesome. So make sure you guys hit that like and subscribe button, hit the comment section, and hit those notifications on.
Yes, sir.
Come on now, I know PT Cruisers aren't the coolest thing in the world, but I might have to say this one is. Tell you what, man, that's a once-in-a-lifetime experience to be right there in the center of the track. And tough luck for our girl Jasmine. I don't know, that little part that you see takes her out. What up over there, Tron? We're gonna do keep, sell, destroy. What a perfect day to go out in the 765 Oh yeah! All the way to 55 miles per hour. That's alright. Okay, safety first. Put your seatbelt on.
Seatbelt.
There he goes. And I get left all alone with a bunch of Steve Stars. Don't worry, Steve, I'll protect him with my life.